we're here today to talk about what we've called the subject, It Just Got Personal. But essentially we wanted to explore the theme of how can we accommodate for individual differences and preferences within a workplace. I'm going to show up a series of images on the screens, and what we really wanted to do was to get your gut instinct about which of those images you prefer.
People come often with an assumption that the millennials or Gen Z have a different type of personality or different interaction with the workplaces, and it doesn't matter.
First thing, I'll just make a little distinction. This stuff, all right, the hard stuff is the physical environment. What I'm going to shine the light on is the psychological environment. Do we talk about the culture in this room right now, or do we talk about the atmosphere in this room? We'll talk about the atmosphere, right? You can walk into that meeting room in a meeting, come out and there'll be a certain atmosphere or climate in there. You can come out of there, go into another room, and there'll be a different climate, a different atmosphere.
There's actually no point in us just designing an amazing environment for people. If you don't look at the whole system, it's not going to be an amazing workspace.
I guess the most interesting thing I found about today was just how complex it is, but in reality it's very simple. It's about everyone is different, and we need to try and find design solutions which keep people comfortable.
One of the best things we can do is to assist our clients to make procedural and practical changes within their organisation to facilitate a better environment for their staff.
By creating a holistic and flexible environment, we're then trying to provide to all types of personality traits.
Actually, I thought there was a lot of interesting things that were aired today and some very interesting questions. One thing I suppose that resonated with me was this whole thing about culture and atmosphere and the difference between the two. So, yeah, I thought it was very good.